Hey guys, it's Tiff and I'm in my car right now because I'm about to head to work. I haven't been posting anything lately because I've been working, but today is the last day of my internship and therefore I am going to show appreciation to my colleagues by making DIY phone cases for them, and that is the whole purpose of this video. Thank you all for your love and appreciation and support over these past few months. I hope you enjoy these snacks. Don't go hungry.
The core materials you'll need for this DIY are some clear phone cases, acrylic paint, a sharpie pen, and graph paper. To begin, let's cut out a template that fits the size of our phone case. Oh look, it's Mong! I've made Mong my wallpaper. With the brightness bumped up to the max, I'm tracing the outline of Mong onto the graph paper. Next, I'm going over the outline with a black Sharpie pen so that the design will be more prominent when we flip over the paper. Like this. Because we're going to paint on the inside of the phone case, we have to invert the design first. And that is exactly how we did it. Whew. So we decided to paint on the inside of the phone case because that way it won't scratch off so easily. Just paint within the outlines in Mong colors, and there we have it, our first phone case for dear Gary, who is a massive army. For this next phone case, all we're gonna do is repeat the same steps for phone case number 1 in tracing our outline and transferring it onto the inside of our phone case. This is like a super easy way you can make your own DIY light box using materials that you already have, aka your smartphone. This is how we create our inverted templates for the inside of our phone case. And it's so easy, you don't have to freehand it, you don't have to make a mistake because you already have the graph paper as a reference. This phone case is for our food trooper Jeremy, and guys, you should totally check out his IG. He doesn't really like Star Wars, but that is his trooper icon, and there you go. This next phone case was super fun to make. As you can see, we followed the same steps in tracing our sushi outline onto the case. This one's for our super talented chef Isan, who's made so much yummy food during my time here, and he runs Seismic Makan. You can check out their Instagram here where he posts delicious food recipes, and my gosh, they're so yummy and colorful, and everyone can make these at home. Isan has the iPhone XR in coral, and this phone case and color scheme will complement his phone so beautifully. Okay, leave the paint to dry for a while, and once you're absolutely sure that the paint is dry, take a toothpick and scratch out the white stripes that you see in salmon. Next, layer on some white paint, and there we have it, some delicious looking salmon sushi. Yay! This pineapple phone case is for Nadia. This time we just traced on several oval shapes where we want the pineapples to be. Let's use a flat brush to just dab on some paint within the ovals of the pineapples, creating that cute little pineapple-y design. Next, you can use your fingernail to reshape the outline of the pineapple so that it looks way neater. Now let's overlay another layer of pineapple over the initial layer so that we create more of a depth and dimension to it, plus it pops even more. This next Galaxy case is for Daniel's Samsung Galaxy phone. If you guys have watched my Galaxy DIYs before, you'll know that I usually dab on the Galaxy paint first before flicking on the white paint, but now we're doing everything inverted because we are painting from the inside. case is for my boss, Layla, and it was so hard finding out what phone she uses. All I know is that it's a Huawei and it's an old phone and it's blue, so that was exactly how I googled it. And if you're wondering, I got the right phone. Anyways, we're basically just gonna freehand a floral design onto the inside of the clear phone case using some blue acrylic paint, white paint, and a Sharpie. You can watch the speed paint right here. Really, really, really smart. I did it, Lila. I really did it. Inside joke stuff. Layla is not just a really cool boss, she's also a mom to 4 adorable little kids. So I also painted her a second phone case with her 4 kids, and you can see them in the B-roll. This final phone case design is of course for our army Gauri. Using our DIY lightbox technique, let's trace the heart from BTS's album Love Yourself, and we're gonna use some white paint to go over the entire outline. If the outline is a little too thick, just use a toothpick or a pencil to scrape off the sides after it has completely dried. Now is the fun part, dabbing on the paint according to BTS album colors. This is so easy and fun and simple to do, and the best part is seeing our design come together so beautifully.